everyone, today I'm going to make fresh bitter gourd from Asian shop. Today nga de ni hakte chema chise ni mi mang puchi no ke chisa hinang na sede and this ni pishi budu so yeah, many of my friends been asking me for a long time, how do you make this vegetables? So I'll just show you only one how I cut. Just take out this seed from inside. Dito bra. Ani nang lo ni. Dito sa. You have to remove the seed from inside. Nang lo ni. Ito dito sa mamatin ra. Ni. Hindi siya. Just have to cut very thin slice. Like this. Cross. I'll be speaking in English and Tibetan so people can understand better. All the seed has to be removed and throw. Some people they use seed also, but I don't like. It's not so tasty and it disturbs. Ni kasi dito din yung dosa rin ang ado di gawin transfer this into a strainer or any kind of bowl. The sangatut charwani di bula. Ende haya doch nante. Ane nimbut sira. Just have to use lemon juice a bit and put a bit of salt. And mix it up. Just have to mix so good. This one I'm doing it because I want to remove the bitterness. The kachini cheese na 이게 the kakti di 인용으로 차지 kakti di 많대 주. kakti 많잖아 아니 쌍이 정말 친구 먹이로 채라. You just have to leave this for around 15 minutes minimum. If you have time, you can leave it for like half an hour, 20 minutes to half an hour. I will just leave for 15 minutes. If you can't eat too much bitter, like you can leave for longer so that all the salt will remove all this bitterness, but little bitterness will be there. When I'm soaking the vegetables, I will make ready for a dough. I'm going to make a Tibetan flatbread, which I add around 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, and half cup of brown flour. Because I don't want to be very dark because it doesn't look nice. So I mix half brown flour and half, and then I'm adding baking powder. And then you need the turshi. Turshi now kare now put the ni turshi kau chinga chinga ten bing for a tini. And you have to mix very well. I'm going to use warm water. Just put warm water like this. Just check. It should not be too watery and not very hot. It should be medium. Should be bad low men that sharani bad kambu game. I'm doing this because my vegetable, the bitter gourd has to be soaked for 15 minutes. So meanwhile, I just make a dough and leave it for a while. Hey, this time I'm going to show you a rahni. To see this, to see the answer. Only for 15 to 20 minutes. This I already used the baking powder. The oven on like this, you know, come and oven like this, it's how come and and oven on come and close it and put it in the preheated oven for 15 minutes. The gourd is ready to wash now. It's almost 15 minutes over. The counter chama the tray get to the sha come and sado. And shuna. You have to wash and wash. Not very hot, not very cold. keep it for a while till all the water goes away. Kama kashisirna hindi siya shudi ka na sinulat tende pa to. Preheat the pan. I'm going to put wok. You can use any kind of vessel. Here, so curry use chine over there. I'm going to use olive oil. And then I'm use the vegetable. Just put around 2 tablespoons of oil. It has to be very hot. You can see. So first thing what I'm going for is garlic. Make the garlic here. Let the garlic be a little brown. Kamunela gopal weni. De ini ditong se filin sanggo ni tomato sen gopal sikit sanggo. Yeah. Let garlic be a little brown. Gopal itu se jamun satura. Not very dark. And then you can put the flame a little lower in medium heat. Right? Maybe this is new sangga. Make a little. And then let's put onion. Let onion be a little brown. Stir it well. So again, this is jamun satura. It's already brown. So you need that. And for a green chili, you can jump the then add tomato. Okay, now we will tomato. Stir it well. Keep it for a while and then add a bit of salt as you like. I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoon. Hadi sigura much chicken chema sosu. Ni gate. I'm going to use turmeric powder. Chili powder. Chili as much as you like. Stir it well, just not burn the chili and turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is very good. It's antiseptic. And you add a bit of turmeric in your food. It's really great. Got it over there. All the bitterness is gone, and a little bit will be there because I didn't read it for a long time. I like a bit of bitterness, so it is healthy. You take out all the bitterness, then all the nutrition goes away. She did someone else share it. Coffee someone else, you know? She someone can do that. I'm going to toast with the lid for about 20 minutes. I'm going to put it in a very low flame. Mid-heat it, maybe around 3. Then medium. And then I'm going to keep it 20 minutes. But meanwhile, you have to keep checking and stirring it well. Kama nishu shine gani, kima lani. Tuku tangi tanchiba. Make a bread now, flat button bread. Just flour. Flour. Sorry. Dough is ready. Just take a bit of so this much. Just press it so well. 발레 보고 싶더라. 손에 지금 드시죠? Now it's ready to go. I have preheated the pan. Yeah, 세랑 this house Zumba. Now I'm going to add this flat bread. Hale didn't do me. Just have to add this. And the stove has to be in very hot. It has to be hot. Let's hash it, Sharwa. And this should have maybe I will check vegetable. Stir it well so it doesn't get burned from the bottom. When the bubble is coming, and stick this in the dirty raw. Turn it. Put it in a very high flame. Make sure it's sarwa. And khade. Slowly press it with a cloth. Only from the side. The side is very difficult to cook. Sur this way kali run. Sur ne khale. Ningi. Do not be pressed very hot. Has to be pressed very gently. कुछ भी मन बच रहा खले Let me check. Wow, it become brown. Still need to be. Now it's ready to turn here. Wow. Now put the flame at low. Maybe around 4 or 3.5. Because it might be too high, then it might break. This is the right way to cook bread, you know. So when it rains, you are good at cooking bread, flat bread. Now I think this spoon, the air is filled. You can see let's raise the one. And you see. Scoop. It is cooked. I'm going to turn this in hot case. I have a hot case here. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to do the rest 3, 4, 5 bread again. Now the vegetable is done or not. Wow. It's done. If you want to keep for a longer time, you can keep longer. After cooking my rice, all the bread is finished cooking, and then I in between I stir it well. Kali sama sweet sarani. Kuni siapa? Cuma cek sini. And it becomes so. It's done because I don't want to cook too much because it has to be in low flame. I cooked in very low flame. Right. 4 or 3.5 you can keep. Now it's done. Tibetan bread. Palette. We call it palette for this. I'm gonna need to for myself. Okay. You can eat with chili also if you want. You can put a little bit of chili here or a pickle. I'm going to eat like this. Sometimes what I do is I pour all the vegetable inside here and roll it, and then I eat like this. Today I'm gonna eat like this. Hello, siya lang yung bunawang good appetite. Koite. Bon appetito. Good appetite. Have a good appetite. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this recipe, try this recipe. It's very good for diabetes. A very healthy vegan food. And if you are diabetes, try to use this bread with a brown flour. You can chini never enough. The bread repaliti. Ada naku isiruchi. Ada kahu kimasishra. Not with the white flour. If you are diabetes, if you are health conscious, subscribe to my channel. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.